What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Wade Ripple from Elemental. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we'll start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in the center and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left of each eye. So we're going to bring this in and then back out. And we'll draw that same size circle in the center of the eye for the pupil, but we'll go in behind that highlight. So start from the bottom, come down and out. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to wrap the eyelid around the eyes. Let's start from the inside. Just going to trace this around, come down, just blend that in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around, down, and just bend that in. Let's add the nose in between the eyes. So on the left, we're going to step down, curve this up, go across, and then down. Let's draw the top edge of the mouth, starting over on the left. Bend this down and across, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, round this out, come down. I'm just going to bump this up in the middle, come down towards the right, bend this up, and just round out the corner. Now I'm going to draw in the top row of teeth. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this down, go across the middle, and then bend that back up. And we'll tuck the bottom row of teeth underneath. So from the side, bend this out and then down. Let's fill the corners of the mouth in black. Let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, we want to bend this up and then in, and then line that up on the right side. Now we're going to add some thickness. We're going to start from the inside, going up, and then bend that back down. Now on the left side, we're going to move out and draw the profile edge of the head. So we're going to step out, come down, bump out the cheek around the mouth, come down and in. It's going to leave a gap in between the chin. Let's move over towards the right side. We're going to bend this around the mouth. Now I want to bring this all the way up and then in above the eye. Let's go back to the side and add those water ripples. We're going to bend this out, go up, let's round this out, and then come down. Let's add a larger wave. We're going to go up and out, go across, and then we'll bend that in. Let's add one more. Coming down and up, round this out, come in towards the center of the head. I'm just going to add a couple waves coming down to the right side. So we just want to close this off and bend that out. Now just underneath the head, we're going to go to the left side, curve the collar, coming down and up, step out and draw that again. Now from the side of the collar, we want to bend the body. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this out, come down, and then bend that in towards the ankle. Go to the right side. Go out, down, and then in. Now in between, we're going to step up and add a small fold, going up and down. In the center, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, and then the right heel. Now it's going to round out the ankle, go out towards the foot, round out the foot, and pull that back in towards the heel. And do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's move up and draw the bottom edge of the shirt. We're going to come down the middle and up, step up, and draw that again. Now I'm going to go to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close out the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, step down, go out and up with the second finger. Now the third finger, we want to bend this out and bend that back in towards the top of the collar. We're gonna go out, round this out, and pull that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting with that first finger, then the arm going up, round up the arm, and then bend that in. Let's draw the edge of the sleeve, starting from the side of the body, and then out, and then up. Now I'm going to draw 3 more curves going up for the stripes. And I'll do the same thing on the right. And I will sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Wade from Elemental. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.